Hi and welcome. In this video I want to show you a particular new feature in Photoshop called Rich Tooltips, and then if you don't like it I'm going to show you how to turn it off. Okay, well let's dig in. My name's Kent Fisher and this is LiveLink Training. Now notice if I hover over any one of the tools in later versions of Photoshop now, I get this thing happen called the Rich Tooltip. And it basically brings me up a little video of how to do things. So here it's telling me that the Move tool is for moving things. And the rectangular marquee tool draws, well, rectangles. Well, do I want to know that? Well, as a new learner, possibly that might be useful for you. But as your experience grows, what you'll find is that they will probably ending up irritating the heck out of you. They certainly do for me. And so, if like me, you don't want to see these things every time you hover over a tool, then what you want to do is go up to the Edit menu or the Photoshop menu on a Mac and down to Preferences and then Tools. And once you're into Tools, the second one down here it says Use Rich Tooltips. Well, if you turn that off and then click OK, you'll never see them again. Well, that very briefly is how to take advantage of Rich Tooltips, and if you don't like them, how to turn them off. Now I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please give me a thumbs up on YouTube or leave me a message underneath the video. That will be fantastic. And please, if you can, click that subscribe button and become part of my Photoshop learning community. And if you're passing by Facebook, call in, say hi and give me a like. It'll be much appreciated. Okay, that's it for now. I'll see you in the very next video. Bye for now.